two sisters, Ria and Dia, are playing in the park when they see a lost dog. The dog is scared and doesn't know what to do, so they take him home. When they get home, they take care of the dog and feed him. They name him Bingo. Bingo is so grateful for the food and the love that he licks their faces. The next day, they take Bingo to the park and let him play with their friends. All the dogs in the park want to play with Bingo, but he's too scared. He hides behind the sisters. One of the sisters, Dia, gets an idea. She takes a ball and throws it far away. Then she calls Bingo. He runs after the ball and the other dogs follow. They play until they're exhausted, and then they all go home. The end.